how to remove Candy Crush Saga ad. Open Candy Crush Saga. Let's get right into it. Those pop-up ad can be a bit much sometimes, right? Let's fix that. Also, Candy Crush Saga is free to play and those ads help keep it that way. But yes, there is a way to reduce or remove them. Turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data. Playing offline means no ads. Just turn off mobile data or Wi-Fi, then open the game. You can still play most level without internet. You won't get certain online feature or event, but it's 100% ad-free. Also, you can buy any gold bar pack. Even a small in-app purchase like a gold bar bundle will remove most ad permanently. This also unlock ad-free booster and smooth play. And that's it. And you just learn how to Candy Crush without annoying ads. Drop a comment if you have got questions, tap like if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick game tips. See you in the next one.